Hey guys, welcome to this video on logarithms in base 10. So, what is a logarithm? Well, let's start by defining that logarithm in base 10 of a positive number is the power that 10 must be raised to in order to obtain that number. So, for example, if we've got a logarithm in base 10, so I'd write this like so. If I got log in base 10, so it indicates it's base 10 down here, of 1,000, then what number must 10 be raised to, or 10 to the power of x? What is this value of x here that makes it equal to 1,000? Well, in this case, it's 3. So we could say that the log base 10 of 1,000 is equal to 3. Now, we might see sometimes written as just log of a without having the 10 down here. In this case, we assume that we're talking in base 10. So let's have a look at just a simple, quick little rule that if we have the log of 10 to the power of x, then this is always going to be equal to x when x is any real number. So x, any real number. If we were to graph y equals 10 to the power of x, we'd have an exponential graph. So how can we expand on this just a little bit? Well, another rule to write down is if we've got x being equal to 10 to the power of log x, for when x is greater than 0. So what's this going to mean? Well, if I try to find the log of 34, this is going to be, and I use a calculator for this, it's going to roughly be equal to 1.53. And that means if I go 10 to the power of 1.53, this is going to be roughly equal to 34. So this is how logs work. They're good at working out what the exponent is. Let's look at an example. Without using a calculator, I'm going to show you guys how to find the log of 10,000. So, first thing I had to do is go, okay, what is 10,000? Actually, let's get rid of that. 10,000 rewritten as 10 to the power of something. Well, in this case, it's going to be 4. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000. So that means that the log of 10,000 is equal to 4. That's really basically it for logarithms in base 10. It's always what number must 10 be raised to in order to get this number here. So if we were to write this out in a bit of a different way, we could go the log of, let's go a, where a is equal to 10 to the power of x. So that means that the log of a is going to be equal to x. Hopefully that makes a bit of sense. So definitely get this down. We're going to talk through some rules of logarithms shortly. If you've got any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching, and we'll have a bit more chat about it in class, and we'll see you next time.